Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Lock tracking in Word prevents other authors from disabling the Track Changes feature in a document you created. To enable lock tracking in Word, click the drop-down part of the Track Changes button in the Tracking button group on the Review tab of the ribbon. In the drop-down menu that appears, click the Lock Tracking command to open the Lock Tracking dialog box. In this dialog box, enter a password into the Enter Password optional field, and then re-enter the same password into the Re-enter to confirm field. Then click the OK button to enable lock tracking. If you don't want to use a password, you can simply click the OK button to lock tracking. At that point, the Track Changes button appears grayed out and unavailable in the Tracking button group. Other authors cannot turn off the Track Changes feature in the document. To remove the tracking lock, click the drop-down portion of the Track Changes button again. Then click the Lock Tracking button. If you entered a password, you must enter that password into the password field in the Unlock Tracking dialog box that appears. Then click the OK button to remove the lock tracking feature. If you did not enter a password, simply clicking the Lock Tracking button again unlocks the Track Changes button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.